We are now at step 3, and we're going to confirm, using a dictionary, our educated guess about what the vocabulary word means. So remember, we had just gone through, made an educated guess, and then filled out the context clues or the words that helped us determine our definition. Now we're going to just check it using a dictionary. You can use any of the dictionary resources provided in this step, or if you have a favorite of your own, you can use that as well. So you're just going to go ahead and type in the word and then bring up and review the definitions. So here we have innocuous, producing no injury, harmless. Woohoo, that's the same word that I predicted. And then not likely to give offense or to arouse strong feelings or hostility. Inoffensive, insipid. So what I've done is just kind of combine the two using the semicolons here. Combine the two so that way we have our dictionary definitions represented. I've also put the definitions in quotation marks because I am quoting it directly from the source. Also, because we're quoting directly, we want to make sure that we have our source citation. And what I'm going to do for that is drag over the URL. Now, this is not the only citation, the only part of the citation that we need. And there is a video within this step that shows you how to properly format your citations using MLA style. So this is just a marker for me, so I don't have to keep going back to the same page. Okay, so we've defined our word using the dictionary. We've matched it up. We did a great job on that one. And then in the box to the right, it talks about the denotation of the sentence. And this sounds a little scary, but really, it's just writing the sentence in plain English. It's plugging in the definition that we know and that we verified, and just to make sure that we understand what the sentence is actually saying. We're getting rid of any big words like innocuous or forays. That's kind of an interesting word. And we're also making sure that we can explain what the sentence means without having any other influences. We just want the heart or the very core, in plain, simple English, what the sentence means. So we have, compared to what you hear about the hardcore games such as Grand Theft Auto or Call of Duty, you feel pretty safe by playing with these innocuous, if not downright cute, forays into fantasy. So really what this is just saying, and remember this is from an article about Facebook games, so I know based on the title the topic of the article, and that helps. Basically what this is saying is people believe serious video games are dangerous and Facebook games have no effect on players. That's really what this sentence, with some very different grammar and scary, kind of bigger words, is using. It's all it's really saying. People believe serious video games are dangerous and Facebook games have no effect on players. And notice, no effect is kind of like my substitute for innocuous. Okay, so you're going to define your word and then write a simple, plain English version of what that sentence means.